Today is the first day as YouTubers. I'm frankly speaking a bit nervous thinking that what would the repercussion be all guys. Anyhow, let me introduce myself first. I've already told that my name is Tapus Kumar Basu. I'm basically from a finance background. I've got experience around more than 15 years. Whatever experience I've achieved, whatever knowledge I've got from the market, yes, I've decided to, to share my knowledge through this channel. Today I have made up my mind to throw some light regarding the index analysis. Especially I'd like to talk about the Nifty 50. Okay, now let me go to this index. Already I have opened a chart. This is called a candlestick chart. Candlestick is a very important thing which generally plays a very vital role in case of trading. There are so many candles pattern of theirs, but I'm not going to explain the candles pattern because it will take a lot of time to explain all the patterns. And next video definitely I will cover a particular this subject. Now you have to understand what are the candles to be termed as bullish candle and what are the candles to be considered as bearish candle. You see there are so many red candles are there and so many green candles are there. The red candles are to be considered as a bearish candle and all the green candles to be termed as a bullish candle. You know that if I start from this level, and apart from this candlestick also, I have plotted another tools which is also very important and very popular tool. A lot of traders are using particular this tool just to come to a conclusion as far as resistance and supports are concerned. Through these tools you can easily determine the resistance level and support level. I have already plotted particular this Fibonacci retracement over here. You see that there is a big bearish candle. It means there are so many cells to place particular in this chart. That's why it has become a big red, right? So on 23rd, you see it was opened on 15,862.80. It made a high of 15,862.95 and made a low of 15,676. It made a low this and close 15,686.95. It means it already escalated downside this level. But the very next day, this particular it has become a green candle, that is the bullish candle, and it has closed above 15,790. I mean, previously I told that this level is working as the very important support level. As long as Nifty will trade above this level, there is a possibility to retrace from this level to the upside. I mean, there is a possibility to rally the Nifty further. So what would be the next level? So next level we can expect that 132.2% of Fibonacci retracement. This is also a golden ratio of Fibonacci. Now what is the value of Nifty over here? 15,900. If the Nifty goes upside, as long as the Nifty, I have told you just few minutes back, as long as the Nifty will trade above this level, there is a tenacity to go upside. How long it can go? It can go up to 15,900 for the time being, and if it escalates this level towards downside, then it may test up to this level. So what would be the range of Nifty? The Nifty range would be, the support would be the 15,430 and resistance would be the 15,900 by this week. I'm expecting particular spots. My prediction is concerned, I'm expecting this. I may be wrong, I may be correct, I don't know. So apart from it also, I'm not taking any conclusion right now also, because I'm also going to plot another tools which is one of the most important momentum indicator, which is called a stochastic oscillator. Momentum generally, you know that it measures this stochastic oscillator generally measures the momentum. Momentum is always faster than price. Suppose if I plot the stochastics, I'm plotting the stochastics over here. I'm plotting the stochastic. Once I plot the stochastics, if you see there are so many crossover here. This crossover is known as a buying and selling. You know, this is a crossover. This is a downside crossover. Whenever this stochastic intersect this dotted line, I mean this moving average is dotted from downside, it means that this crossing to be known as a bullish crossover, right? And when the stochastic crosses below this this moving average dotted line, is known as a bearish crossover. Okay, so now if I go to the chart, what you can see it, you see when the stochastic has given the bullish crossover, particular stochastic is giving the crossover particular this area, you know. So when 21st stochastic has given a bullish crossover, you know, you see the market that it was opened on 15,525 and it was closed at 1576 around, and it has low around 15,505. You know that that range was range around 200 plus point, right? So so this is particular this area, and the very next day you will see. So by seeing that crossover, if anybody would have taken any position from here, and suppose 15,000 high 15,760, maybe if anybody has taken a position of 15,700, and if he could have, and the high was 15,895, around 15,800, 100 point, 100 point, if he could then he could have booked on the 100 point. It means 100 point means in one lot, Nifty lot is 75 to 100 is 7,500, right? So this is the crossover selling, right? So now is the question, in the upside you see there is another crossover is there, but this is from upside crossover. What you can do, you can use as a selling, you can short, you can short particular this line, but you cannot short, you have to wait unless and until it crosses particular this line. This is a nifty. Once it crosses, then you will realize there is a trend reversal. There is a trend reversal. Okay, so now this we now we came to a conclusion that as far as Fibonacci retracement zone, I explained you what would be the support, what would be the resistance, and this stochastic is also very bullish. Another indicator, Boolean percentages. I'm not going to plot over here; it will take so much of time. Boolean percentage is also bullish. As far as the moving average crossover, already have plotted the moving average crossover. This is the 5 DMA moving average. This is the 20 DMA moving average. So as far as moving average crossover, if the 5 DMA moving average crossover cross the 20 DMA moving average crossover from the below, then this is called a bullish crossover, correct? So this is a short term. So as far as short term is concerned, as far as this is also bullish. As far as mid term is concerned, that is a 20 and 50 DMA. It means the 20 DMA cross the 50 DMA from the below. This is also bullish. As far as 50 and 200 DMA crossover, moving average bullish. So we can come to a conclusion that stochastic is also oscillator is a bullish, moving average crossover is also bullish, Boolean percentage or another indicator is bullish. Another very important indicator which I call the RSI, relative strength index. Suppose if I plot the RSI over here, let's check the RSI. I'm plotting the RSI over here. This you see, if I plot the RSI over here, what you can see it. Yes, I'm plotting the RSI. This is the RSI. The RSI is suppose above 50. 1 minute. This is a bearish zone, and above 50 is a bullish zone. You see, RSI is also bullish. So RSI is also bullish. Moving average crossover is also bullish. Stochastic oscillator is also bullish, and Boolean percentage R is also bullish. And there is also a bullish candle over here, and this Nifty is trading above this particular very important zone. I mean, this is a golden ratio. This Nifty is trading above this golden ratio. Then we can come to a conclusion that there is a possibility to rally upside Nifty. How much I have already explained. The resistance would be around up to 15,900, and support would be around 15,430. This could be the range of Nifty by this week. So this is all about this analysis. But I'm requesting everyone, please, this is purely for educational channel. This channel is not related with any tips or any recommendation for any stocks or any stock advisory. If anybody would like to make any kinds of trading, request you to please do consult your own respective investment advisor and then take your decision. And also I would request you to please do subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon, and I generally expect that I'll get more responses. Definitely this will help me bring lot more videos in future. That's all. I'm going to sign up today's program. Thank you very much.